At the end of this video, you will get divine favor. You will get that job that you're looking for. You will get that marriage that you have been looking for. You will get that fruit of the womb that you have been looking for. You will get your business massive sales after this video. What I want you to do is just watch this video from start till the end, and as you do so, God in his infinite mercy will bless you. This is a divine assignment, and for those, as many as those that watch this video, it must definitely work for them if you follow the instructions. In this video, I don't want to talk too much, okay, but spiritual people, wise people will understand what I'm saying. Today I'm going to be talking about sea salt. I'm talking about salt. And this video, you don't need to even have sea salt. If you have any type of other salt, you can use it and it will work perfectly for it. Okay, this is because not everybody can have access to sea salt. Some people don't have it. So, but you can start and do this right now and it will definitely work. Okay, what is that thing that you've been going through? You've been looking for a job. You graduated years ago and you have tried to get a job, but you didn't have anything. You have been looking for the fruit of the womb. You've been trying to get your business massive customers and failure. You've been looking for a contract. Okay, you're looking for promotion. You're looking for a raise at your job. Okay, you're looking for a job, but nothing is coming, and it looks like you don't even know anything anymore. People have been embarrassing you from left to right. Do this spiritual work right now and it will work for you. So this is what we're going to do. For me, I want to get like a bath water, your bath water ready. Get some salt. Okay, so before you add the salt to your water, this is what you will do. You have to call Favour 7 times. Okay, 7 times. In fact, don't forget to do this. Remember to say Favour, 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 Favour 7 times. Okay, and you can do this in the morning, you can do it in the night, you can do it in the afternoon. Okay, do it anytime you have time. Okay, and more importantly, if you want to go out, let's say you're going out for a job, make sure you do it just before you go. Whether you are looking for a husband, okay, you're looking to get money from somebody, make sure you do it before you go. You are going to your workplace, you're going to look for a job, you are going for an interview, you are going to write an exam. Make sure you call Favour to your salt before you go. Okay, then after calling Favour to your salt, all you want to do is you want to take like just 7 tips of sea salt, like 7 pinches, using your 2 fingers like this. Take 1 pinch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so like 7 pinches. After that, make sure you use your middle finger to mix the water very well. You want to make sure that it's mixed very well. So after mixing very well, you want to just add it to your bath water right away. If you already have your bath water, just go right ahead and start taking your bath with it. Okay, and when you do this, you want to make sure that you are naked. You don't have any chains, no hand chain, no leg chain, no earrings, nothing. So just use this water to bath. And remember, just before you go out, if you're not going out, that's fine. You can do it in the night, you can do it in the morning. But if you are going out, make sure you do it just before you go out. Okay, and you will see how Favour is going to be following you. So now when you're doing this bath, you want to make sure that you don't do this on your menses. You want to make sure that you don't do this and have sex. Stay away from sex when you have this. You can do it every single day just before you go out. Get what I'm saying? So when you're taking your bath, don't wear any shoes. Just go into your bathroom and start using that water to bath. No soap, no sponge, no towels, and no cream. Just use that water from your head down to your toes. And while you are taking your bath, start making your intention, start making your prayers that after this bath, that job will be yours. That promotion will be yours. The customers and sales will be yours. The contract will be yours. The connections will be yours. The fruit of womb is already yours. And start claiming everything that you want. Don't forget to call favor 7 times to your salt. It's very, very important. Okay, and I promise you, you will definitely come back to share your testimony of challenge. What you will tell me is just that, yay, precious, thank you. I've got the job. That is what it's going to be. Yay, precious, I've got the connection. Yes, precious, I've got the promotion. Yes, precious, I've got the fruit of the womb. That's what it's going to be. So go right ahead and do this. For more spiritual videos to help your life, watch this video from over there. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. You know I love you, and I'm sure you love me too. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.